In this video, we are going to learn about the substitution. So substitution basically just change it, the value. So we got this formula A equal to 1 over 2 BH. So that means is A equal to 1 over 2 times B times H. Okay, let's start. If the base is 12 and the height is 9. So let's substitute it. So it's for A equal to 1 over 2 times 12 and then times with 9. So this answer is gonna be 54 centimeters square. Now the base is 2.5 and the height is 1.5. So we can write it here. B 1 over 2 multiplied by 2.5 and multiplied by 1.5. So this will give us the answer of 1.875 meter square. For C, the base is 21 and the height is half as long as the base. So it's gonna be A equal to 1 over 2 times 21 and a half of 21, which is 11.5. So this will give us the answer of 110.25 centimeter square. Next, the height is 2 meter and the base is the cube of the height. So cube of the height, so 2 cube 8. Okay, so let's make A equal to 1 over 2 times 2 and then multiplied by 8. So this will give us the answer of 8 centimeters square. Next, we have evaluate 3xy minus 4. Okay, remember, we still need to use the order of operation. So this means is 3, we multiply by x, and we multiply again by y, minus 4, 2 multiplied by x, minus 3 multiplied by y. Let us substitute it. So 3 multiplied by 4, then multiplied again by minus 3, minus by 4. This is 2 multiplied by 4 and minus by 3 multiplied by minus 3. Okay, let us finish it, the bracket. So let's keep it. 3 times 4 times minus 3 minus 4 bracket 2 times 4 is gonna be 8. So plus 9. So next step, 3 times 4 times minus 3, 4 times 4 plus 9. So it will give us the answer of 17. So we can multiply it, the right side. So this will give us the answer of minus 36 and then minus again by 14 times 7. So 4 times 7 is 68. So this will give us the answer of minus 36 minus again by minus by 68. So this is minus 104. For number C, evaluate again. So this is A plus 2 times B and then make it square minus by 4 times C. Okay, let's substitute. A is 3, so 3 plus 2 times minus 2, make it square, and then 4 times minus 4. So this becomes 3 plus minus 4, make it square, minus 4 times minus 4. So it's gonna be minus 1 square minus 4 times minus 4. So this minus 1 times minus 1 is gonna be 1. and then minus by 4 times minus 4 is minus 16. So 1 minus by minus 16 is gonna be 17. Next, for number 4. What is the value of m cube? M cube minus by n cube divided by m square plus m times n plus n square. Okay, let us substitute m. So m is gonna be 2. So 2 cube minus by minus 3 cube divided by 2 cube plus mn. 2 times minus 3 plus minus 3, we make it square. So 2 cube is gonna be 8. So it's gonna be minus by minus 27, and it's gonna be 4. Next, this 2 times minus 3 is gonna be minus 6. So it's gonna be plus 9. Okay, so we got it 8 plus 27 over 4 minus 6 plus 9. So this is 11 plus 27 over 4, and will give us the answer of 17.75. Okay, last, number 5. The number of the games can be played among the X competitors in a chess tournament is given by the expression. Okay, how many games will be played if there are 4 competitors? So it's gonna be 4. X equal to 4. Let us substitute it. So 1 over 2 x squared minus by 1 over 2x. So this is 1 over 2 4 square minus by 1 over 2 times 4. So this is 1 over 2 times 16 minus 2. So this is 8 minus 2, which give us the answer of 6. So there will be 6 games. Next, for the B, how many games will be played if there are 14? So x equal to 14. We can substitute it. 1 over 2, this is 14 square minus by 1 over 2, this is 14. Okay, so this is 7 minus by 14 times 14s. So this will give us the answer of 196. This we multiply by a half. So this is gonna be 98 minus by 7. So there will be 91 games if there are 14 competitors. There it is. Thank you.